get him. You let him. You're gonna give him to mommy so he can eat. So give him a kiss. Give him. Look at her. She's out of control. Oh my.
Joey,
Come here.
I don't even think I can put these videos up. It seems so cruel.
Yeah,
Come here.
it is.
You be gentle, Josie.
He's the most tolerant.
I need blankie. I need blankie puppy.
You have a towel right behind
Yeah.
you.
Come here. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Nice and warm. Nice and warm. Hey. Okay. Open my face.
Yeah. Uncover his face so he can see you. His eyes are starting to open.
Is staying open?
Almost.
That was the eyes open.
They're getting there. Okay.
Okay. Relax. It's okay.
Just tell him to relax. Did you hear him? He said relax.
Slungy.
Snuggly. Did you just tell the puppy to relax? Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Come here. Okay.
All right. Be gentle, Josie.
Come here. Come here. Yay. Yay. This way.
Wow.
Come here. Come here.
Be nice. Be
Ow.
gentle.
Oh, did she bite you?
I'm done.